great value choice while traveling to expensive Singapore. Unboxing Value Hotel Thomson. Is it good for this 3-star hotel? Don't miss their facilities. How about the breakfast buffet?
Hi, I'm Tree Papa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together.
Welcome to Tree Papa's channel. Good day from Singapore. A city known for its well-organized rules, clean roads, and quality citizens. However, the traveling cost is also sky-high compared to the countries nearby. If you've ever visited or plan to visit Singapore, you'll quickly realize that finding affordable accommodation can be a challenge. That's why today, I'm unboxing a budget-friendly option, Value Hotel Thomson. Does it really offer great value? Let's find out. But before we dive into the full hotel report, let me share how we got here. Previously, we flew China Airlines at 35900 in premium economy class from Taipei. Enjoy the flagship VIP lounge at Taipei T1 and on board a special new aircraft rent from Scandinavian Airlines. Check out the link below for the full report. Value Hotel Thomson is rated 3.5 stars on Google Maps, and the daily cost is surprisingly under 100 Sing dollars only. Let's check it out. After a smooth check-in, I headed to the 9th floor for my superior double room with breakfast. As a 3-star hotel, the corridor design matches its level, simple but functional. Let's step inside the room. My first impression, it's sleepable but quite compact. The superior room comes with a view, but if you opt for the standard room, you'll miss out on that, and not recommended. It was too dark to see the view at night, so I'll show you that tomorrow morning. Despite the room's small size, it's equipped with essentials, like a safe and a fridge. The space below the TV turns out as a closet, a clever way to save space. There's a small table with a kettle and drinking water, plus a few hangers for coats. But here's the real question. How did they fit a bathroom in such a small room? Well, it's compact. The sink, shower, and toilet are all squeezed together. It's not luxurious, but it's functional and gets the job done. Basic amenities are provided, which meets the requirements of a business hotel. Alright, time to catch some sleep and see you tomorrow. Good morning, Value Hotel Thomson. Here's the city view from the room. Basically, I'm looking at other people's room. One of the nice extras at this hotel is the outdoor swimming pool on the 7th floor. Since Singapore is hot year-round, it's a great spot to relax and unwind in this bustling city.
I hope you've been inspired by my hard-working videos. Your like and subscribe to encourage me to provide more quality contents in the future.
Now, let's talk about breakfast. The restaurant is on the ground floor, and it's pretty basic, both in terms of food and ambiance. Personally, I'd recommend just exploring the restaurants across the street for a more satisfying meal. In summary, you definitely get what you pay for. Value Hotel Thomson is a solid choice for budget-conscious business travelers. What do you think about this hotel? Let me know in the comments. In my next video, I will visit Marhaba Lounge in Changi T3, on board China Airlines recliner business class seat to Taipei, and enjoy the outstanding onboard service with lovely meals.
Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.